Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to write a long script in Chatgpt. Now of course the easiest option is going to cost you. That means you will be using the canvas, which is on the plus plan. But if you're using the free version of Chatgpt and you want to write, say, a script of about 5,000 words, you'll need to break it down into parts. So we're going to drop an instruction right here. So we have this prompt. I want to write a script on healthy living. It should contain an introduction, body, research and studies, examples, and conclusion. Now, these are things that you would naturally have in your script. And we also say that the minimum word count should be 6,000 words, which is just an example of how long it can be. And this is expected to be past the limit of Chatgpt for a single response. So we also continue by saying provide the first 3,000 words. Click on send, and as you can see, it says here is the first half, 3,000 words of your script on healthy living. So it's currently generating a response with the limit of 3,000 words. Now it's written the first 3,000 words and it has a conclusion, of course, based on the 3,000 words. However, we can continue with the context of our prompt to say, so we say provide the remaining 3,000 words and add the conclusion within. Click on send again. And it's going to provide another 3,000 words for you. Of course, if this doesn't work for you, the other option is to give it specifics based on your script. For example, you can split your script into different parts and ask it to give you a response based on the part you've designated. When you have that part, you could put it in your editor and then you could proceed for the second part and then complete your long script. Doing it this way is the free option you can follow if you're not using Chatgpt Canvas. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.